Today we will learn all WH words. You need to know these when you speak English. If you can learn how to use them, you can easily ask question in English. And if you can't ask question in English, you can't speak English fluently. So you must learn to use WH word. What? What is used when asking for information about something? What is that? What is that? What happened? What happened? What did he say? What did he say? What time is it? What time is it? What did you buy? What did you buy? What do you want? What do you want? What is going on? What is going on? When? When is used asking for the time. For example, when can we eat? When can we eat? When are you busy? When are you busy? When do you study? When do you study? When does it begin? When does it begin? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Where? Where is used for asking about place. For example, where are we? Where are we? Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Where are you? Where are you? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where is my book? Where is my book? Who? Who is used for asking about a person. For example, who is he? Who is he? Who broke this? Who broke this? Who is that man? Who is that man? Who stole the apple? Who stole the apple? Who did you meet there? Who did you meet there? Whom? Whom is used for asking about person. For example, with whom am I speaking? With whom am I speaking? Whom do you believe? Whom do you believe? To whom did you give it? To whom did you give it? Whom are you going to invite? Whom are you going to invite? Which? Which is used for asking about an option or choice. For example, which is mine? Which is mine? Which is better? Which is better? Which is our car? Which is our car? Which do you want? Which do you want? Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Which one is real? Which one is real? Whose? Whose is used for asking about ownership. For example, whose is this? Whose is this? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose car is that? Whose car is that? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Whose team are you in? Whose team are you in? Whose guitar is this? Whose guitar is this? Whose idea is it? Whose idea is it? Whose fault is that? Whose fault is that? Why? Why is used for asking about a reason. For example, why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? How? How is used for asking about a procedure or method. For example, how are you? How are you? How is your dad? How is your dad? How is your cold? How is your cold? How was your day? How was your day? How should I know? How should I know? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? How did you make it? How did you make it? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.